Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to step beyond the edge of light itself? To drift silently into a place where time slows, space bends, and darkness holds secrets older than the stars? Tonight, we'll embark on a slow, peaceful journey into the secret life of black holes, those invisible giants that shape our universe in ways both mysterious and beautiful. Before we begin, if you enjoy these quiet explorations of the cosmos, please subscribe to The Thoughtful Night for more soothing science stories meant to calm your mind and spark your wonder. And if you're watching from somewhere special tonight, I'd love for you to leave a comment sharing where you are. It helps us feel connected, even across the vastness of space. Now, take a deep breath and settle in. Let the gentle rhythm of your breathing guide you as we step softly toward the twilight edge of the universe, where black holes whisper their timeless secrets. In the vast, silent theater of the cosmos, stars perform their lives as gentle lullabies, slow, radiant songs that stretch across millions, even billions of years. Among these celestial singers, some are born with an extraordinary grandeur, giants that burn with fierce brilliance, much brighter and larger than our own warm sun. These massive stars hold within them the seeds of a secret transformation, a final act that will one day lead to darkness deeper than the night itself. From the moment they ignite, these stars live in a delicate balance, a quiet struggle between the outward pressure of their blazing heat and the inward tug of gravity, pulling every atom closer and closer. For millions of years, hydrogen within their cores fuses into helium, releasing light and warmth that spill across the universe. But this dance of fusion is not eternal. Eventually, the star's fuel, its reservoir of hydrogen, begins to dwindle. As the hydrogen fades, the star moves into a new phase, fusing heavier and heavier elements. Helium, carbon, neon, oxygen, silicon. This slow exhaustion of fuel is a gentle whisper of time's passing, a soft surrender to the inevitable. Each new layer of fusion is a fleeting crescendo, a star's final song growing more complex, more urgent. But as the layers build, the star grows unstable. The delicate balance begins to falter. At last, the star reaches the end of its life. Without enough fuel to push back against gravity's relentless pull, its core collapses inwards. In an instant, the star's outer layers fall toward the center, accelerating in a cosmic free fall. Then, in a spectacular climax, the star explodes, a supernova. Imagine this as the universe's own grand fireworks display. Light exploding in a burst of shimmering color and energy, a final brilliant blaze before fading away. This explosion sends shockwaves through space, scattering stardust and elements across the cosmos. The very building blocks of new stars, planets, and even life. But at the heart of this fiery death lies a remarkable secret. The core, no longer able to resist gravity, collapses further, shrinking beyond what our eyes can see, beyond what we can imagine. It compresses until all its mass is squeezed into a single point, a singularity. Here, density becomes infinite, and the familiar laws of physics begin to twist and unravel. Picture space itself folding, bending like a soft cloth pushed into a tight knot. Light, once racing freely, now struggles to escape this invisible well. This is the birth of a black hole, a cosmic enigma born from the ashes of a star's death. As this singularity forms, it draws in everything nearby, gas, dust, even light, swallowing them quietly without sound. Around this point of no return, a boundary appears, known as the event horizon, a shimmering veil beyond which nothing can come back. It's like the edge of a dream, where reality bends and fades. The birth of a black hole is both an ending and a beginning. It marks the collapse of a star, but it also opens a doorway into a realm where space and time behave in extraordinary ways. It invites us to pause, to listen closely to the silent stories whispered by these dark giants. Tonight, as you settle into this quiet space, imagine the slow collapse of a star, the fading fireworks of a supernova, and the gentle birth of a black hole, a silent, invisible presence weaving itself into the fabric of the cosmos. Feel the vastness around you, the deep stillness where light itself can no longer escape. These giants of darkness hold secrets not just of destruction, but of transformation, of endings that fold softly into new beginnings. And in their shadow, the universe keeps spinning its endless, beautiful dance. Now let your breath slow and deepen. Let your mind drift with the fading light of stars. As the birth of darkness unfolds quietly in the distance, carrying you gently further into the cosmic night. Imagine standing at the shore of a vast, silent ocean, one so deep and dark that no light ever reaches its depths. This ocean does not ripple with waves or stir with wind. It is a stillness that stretches endlessly, inviting you to step forward but warning you softly. Beyond this point, there is no return. This is the event horizon, the shimmering cosmic veil that marks the boundary of a black hole, the edge of a place where our familiar rules of space and time dissolve into mystery. The event horizon is not a physical wall or a glowing ring you can touch. Instead, it is an invisible boundary, a silent frontier between the known and the unknowable. From a distance, it appears as a subtle distortion of the stars behind it, a dark circle outlined by a faint glow of gas and dust caught in its pull. It is the final threshold where light itself surrenders to gravity's unyielding grip, never to escape. To cross the event horizon is to step into the unknown, into a realm where the flow of time slows and space twists in ways that challenge our understanding. If you imagine it, crossing this boundary is like diving into a deep, tranquil ocean, where the weight of the water presses gently, and all noise fades into a quiet hush. Yet beneath this calm surface lies an extraordinary power. Gravity so strong it warps the very fabric of reality. From the perspective of an observer far away, watching something fall into a black hole is like watching a strange and mesmerizing illusion. As the object approaches the event horizon, it appears to slow down, moving more and more sluggishly, as if caught in a cosmic fog. Time seems to stretch out endlessly for the falling object, frozen in a moment that never quite passes. Light emitted from the object grows dimmer and redder, fading softly until it disappears entirely from sight. But for the object itself, the experience is different, a journey inward, swift and inevitable. It crosses the threshold in a seamless glide, unaware of the strange, slowing scene from afar. The event horizon is not a wall to crash against but a point of no return, where the pull of gravity becomes absolute, and the future bends irrevocably inward. This boundary is more than just a physical limit. It is a metaphor for the unknown, a place where our familiar ideas of cause and effect begin to unravel. It invites us to contemplate the nature of reality, how space and time, once thought separate and fixed, intertwine and shift in the presence of such immense gravity. In this silent, dark ocean, Time becomes fluid, and space folds back on itself like a gently twisting ribbon. Light, which usually races across the cosmos at an unfaltering speed, slows and curls around the black hole's edge, caught in an endless dance. The event horizon glows faintly from the heated gas spiraling just outside, a delicate halo marking the boundary between worlds. As you listen to this quiet tale, imagine yourself standing on the edge of this cosmic sea. Feel the gentle pull, the soft distortion of the stars around you, and the calm invitation of the unknown. The event horizon is both a barrier and a doorway, a boundary between the light-filled universe we know and the deep darkness where mystery reigns. There is a profound beauty in this threshold, a quiet reminder that even in the depths of darkness, there is wonder and discovery. It calls to the curious part of us, inviting us to embrace the unknown with calm and openness. Tonight, as you settle deeper into your rest, let your mind drift toward that shimmering veil. Imagine the slow, graceful crossing into a space where time slows and light bends, a place beyond our sight but not beyond our imagination. Let yourself float gently on the surface of this cosmic ocean, feeling the peaceful pull of the event horizon and the quiet mystery that lies beyond. Breathe softly, let the vastness of space surround you, and know that beyond this point, the universe holds secrets still waiting to be discovered, waiting to whisper their stories in the silent language of stars. Beyond the event horizon, beyond the shimmering veil where light and time begin to bend, lies a place of profound mystery, the heart of the black hole, known as the singularity. It is a silent core where everything we know about the universe folds into a quiet enigma. Here, space is crushed to an infinitely small point, and density stretches beyond measure. It is a place where the familiar dissolves, and the language of the cosmos takes on a new, mysterious tone. Imagine this singularity as the deepest well in the universe, a point so small it escapes all description, yet so dense it holds the mass of an entire star or more. This contradiction, something infinitely tiny and infinitely heavy at once, invites us into a quiet meditation on the nature of existence. How can something be both so small and so vast? This question lingers softly in the mind like a whispered riddle. The singularity challenges the very fabric of reality. Our understanding of physics, built upon the laws of gravity and quantum mechanics, strains and bends here. Gravity pulls space inward without end, while quantum effects shimmer unpredictably. Scientists speak of quantum gravity, a theory still unfolding, that seeks to unite these forces in a gentle dance of understanding. Within this darkness, time loses its usual meaning. The flow of moments, the steady tick of seconds and minutes, seems to collapse into a stillness beyond time. Space folds back on itself, curving into shapes that cannot be seen or touched but can only be imagined. It is a place where the universe's rules transform into poetry, where silence itself feels alive. Yet despite this mystery, the singularity does not feel threatening. Instead, it holds a quiet invitation, a call to wonder, a place to rest in the unknown. It is like the center of a vast labyrinth, where the journey inward brings peace rather than fear. The singularity is a reminder that not all questions have answers yet, and some mysteries are gifts meant to inspire awe. We can think of the black hole as a cosmic cathedral of silence, where light bows out and space sings a slow, dark hymn. It is a realm beyond reach, beyond sight, but also beyond worry. In this place, the mind can wander freely, untethered by the need to know or understand fully. This heart of darkness is not empty. It is full of possibility, a quiet crucible where the universe's deepest secrets swirl gently in the folds of space-time. It is a space where the edges blur, and the line between something and nothing becomes a soft shadow. Tonight, as you rest quietly, imagine drifting toward this silent core. Feel the gentle folding of space around you, the slow pulse of a place both infinitely small and vast. Let the paradox of the singularity invite your mind to float freely in wonder, releasing the need for certainty. In this calm, mysterious darkness, you are safe. You are part of a cosmic story that is still unfolding, a story of light and shadow, time and space, known and unknown. Let your breath become steady and deep as you rest in this quiet mystery, carrying a sense of peace from the heart of darkness into your dreams. The singularity is not just a place of endings. It is a symbol of the universe's infinite capacity to surprise, to inspire, and to gently remind us that some mysteries are meant to be embraced softly, like a lullaby sung by the cosmos itself. In the vast cosmic dance, black holes are not always still. Many of them spin, some twisting through space faster than any other known object in the universe. Imagine a dancer in an endless ballroom, swirling gracefully, pulling the fabric of space around them in a quiet, hypnotic whirl. This spinning motion is more than a cosmic curiosity. It shapes the very space around the black hole, bending and twisting it in ways that inspire awe. When a black hole spins, it drags space itself along with it. This effect, known as frame dragging, is like the swirl of water spiraling down a drain or the gentle twirl of a leaf caught in a breeze. Space near the spinning black hole becomes a cosmic whirlpool, curling and twisting endlessly. Imagine standing near this whirlpool, feeling the pull of the unseen currents tugging softly at your very being. This spinning motion can reach astonishing speeds. Some black holes rotate so rapidly that the edge of their event horizon moves close to the speed of light. The faster the spin, the more extreme the effects on the surrounding space. A twisting vortex that bends time and light, creating strange and beautiful distortions. In this cosmic whirl, particles caught nearby are swept along in a glowing dance. Gas and dust form a bright, swirling disk, the accretion disk, spinning faster and faster as it spirals toward the black hole's edge. This whirlpool of matter shines brilliantly in X-rays and light, a glowing halo that contrasts with the deep darkness at the center. The spin also influences the powerful jets some black holes shoot out, streams of energy and particles blasting into space at nearly the speed of light. These jets can stretch for thousands of light years, shaping galaxies and weaving energy into the cosmic web. They are like cosmic fountains, pouring light and motion into the vast night. The spinning black hole is a master of its surroundings, shaping, stirring, and choreographing a celestial ballet of matter and energy. Yet, in all this motion, there is calmness, a steady rhythm to the whirl, like the gentle turning of a great celestial wheel. Imagine yourself as a silent observer, floating nearby, watching this dance. The swirling space, the glowing disk, the bending light, all move with quiet elegance, a cosmic whirl that invites deep fascination and peace. The spin reminds us that even in darkness, there is motion, life, and a quiet power that shapes the universe. It is a slow, graceful dance that goes on unseen but felt deeply by the fabric of space itself. Tonight, as you sink deeper into relaxation, Picture the spinning dancer in the cosmic ballroom. Feel the gentle pull of its rotation, the quiet power stirring space around it, and the soft glow of the swirling disk. Let your breath follow the rhythm of this cosmic spin, steady and calm. In this moment, you are connected to the motion of the universe, part of a dance that has played out for billions of years and will continue endlessly long after the night fades. Let the image of the spinning black hole bring a soothing rhythm to your thoughts, a reminder that even in the darkest places, there is graceful motion, quiet beauty, and infinite wonder. Black holes are not just silent, spinning dancers in the cosmic ballroom. They are also hungry giants, quietly pulling in everything that comes too close: dust, gas, and sometimes even whole stars. This feeding process, though violent on a cosmic scale, unfolds with a gentle, mesmerizing rhythm, like a slow river flowing toward a deep, dark well. Imagine a black hole as a patient hunter, surrounded by a shimmering field of matter. Clouds of gas, stray bits of dust, and glowing remnants of stars. All these wanderers drift slowly, drawn by the black hole's invisible grip. As they edge nearer, the pull grows stronger, a silent invitation to fall into the dark embrace. But before matter disappears completely, it often forms a glowing ring around the black hole called the accretion disk. This disk is a swirling circle of dust and gas, spinning ever faster, heated to incredible temperatures as friction causes the matter to glow with brilliant light. From a distance, it might look like a fiery halo, a bright ring circling the darkness at the center. This radiant disk releases enormous amounts of energy, sometimes shining brighter than entire galaxies. The light is a cosmic song, a glowing testament to the powerful forces at work, even as matter spirals quietly inward. The energy released during this process can stretch across millions of miles, sending out bursts of X-rays and other high-energy radiation that travel across the universe. Yet, despite this violent release of energy, the black hole itself remains silent and invisible, a calm center where all light and sound vanish. It is as if the black hole is quietly swallowing the glowing river of matter, drawing it in without a sound, a cosmic dance of give and take. The feeding process is slow, hypnotic, and deeply peaceful when imagined as a gentle river flowing toward a vast, unseen well. Matter moves closer and closer, caught in the slow spiral toward the center. Time seems to stretch, and space bends softly as everything falls inward. Sometimes the black hole's hunger is so great that it pulls in whole stars. When this happens, the star is stretched and torn apart, its gas and dust swept into the accretion disk, adding to the glowing ring of light. This dramatic event, called a tidal disruption, is a rare but spectacular cosmic feast. In the quiet moments between these great meals, the black hole rests, still and dark. It holds its secrets close, continuing to shape the space around it with an invisible hand. As you listen now, picture this slow feeding dance. The glowing ring of matter, the gentle spiral inward, the silent, dark center waiting patiently. Let the steady rhythm of this cosmic river soothe your thoughts, slow your breath, and carry you deeper into calm. Feel the peaceful balance between the violent energy of the accretion disk and the silent, still heart of the black hole. This balance is a reminder that even the most powerful forces in the universe move with gentle grace, in rhythms that invite us to relax and wonder. Tonight, allow yourself to drift alongside this cosmic river, flowing softly into the unknown, carried by the quiet strength of a black hole's endless appetite. Let the glow of the accretion disk light your mind gently as you settle into stillness and rest. In this calm, feeding place, there is no hurry, only the slow, mesmerizing pull of gravity and light, a dance of matter and mystery that has continued for billions of years and will continue endlessly, long into the quiet cosmic night. Time, as we know it, moves steadily forward, like a river flowing calmly through the landscape of our days. But near a black hole, time does not flow as we expect. It bends, slows, and stretches, folding into the fabric of space in ways that are both mysterious and deeply poetic. To understand this cosmic dance of time and gravity is to enter a dreamlike world, where seconds lengthen and moments linger like soft shadows. Imagine yourself floating near the edge of a black hole, close to the shimmering veil of the event horizon. Here, the familiar flow of time begins to change. A clock in your hand, ticking steadily on Earth, now slows, its hands moving ever more slowly as you approach the darkness. Seconds stretch longer, minutes expand into quiet eternities. Time becomes fluid, soft, and pliant. This effect, known as gravitational time dilation, is a natural consequence of the immense gravity near a black hole. Gravity, the invisible force pulling everything inward, not only tugs on matter, but also bends the flow of time itself. The stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. Near a black hole, gravity is so intense that time slows almost to a standstill. From a distant observer watches as someone falls toward the black hole's edge. To this observer, the falling figure appears to move more and more slowly, frozen in a silent moment just before crossing the event horizon. The light from the falling person's last moments stretches into a faint, red glow, a soft fading signal in the cosmic night. Inside this slow-motion dance, time becomes a dream. Imagine a clock melting, its hands stretching like liquid metal, flowing slowly around the face. Moments dissolve into one another, blending softly like colors bleeding on a canvas. Near the black hole, the usual tick-tock of time gives way to a serene stillness. This bending of time is not only a cosmic curiosity, but a profound invitation to contemplate the nature of reality itself. What does it mean for time to slow? How does it feel to experience moments that linger, stretching into quiet infinity? The black hole, in its silent power, reveals that time is not fixed but a flexible thread woven through the universe. As you listen, allow your mind to drift with the slow flow of time near the black hole. Imagine each breath stretching gently, each heartbeat a soft echo in the cosmic stillness. Feel your own sense of time soften, becoming fluid and calm. This gentle stretching of time is a reminder that in the vastness of space, the boundaries of past, present, and future blur softly, folding into one another like petals of a cosmic flower. Time, like space, is a vast ocean where moments drift and mingle. The black hole's gravity, in its quiet strength, invites you to enter this ocean of time, to float in the stillness between seconds, to rest in the calm between heartbeats. In this place, time flows not like a rushing river but like a slow, steady tide, gently carrying you toward peace. Reflect on the merging of time and space in this cosmic dance, a graceful folding that challenges everything we think we know. The black hole becomes a symbol, a gateway into the mysterious nature of the universe, where time bends and stretches, and the familiar fades into wonder. Tonight, as you settle deeper into your rest, picture this bending flow of time around the black hole. Let your mind move gently with its rhythm, slowing, stretching, and folding softly into calm. Feel yourself become part of this cosmic tide, carried quietly on waves of infinite stillness. In this moment, you are both observer and participant in the grand dance of time and space. You float gently on the edge of the event horizon, where seconds stretch like shadows and time becomes a soft, flowing dream. Let the calm mystery of time's bending flow fill you with wonder and peace. Allow yourself to drift with the slow river of moments, carried ever deeper into relaxation and quiet. The black hole, silent and powerful, continues its endless dance, shaping time and space with gentle grace. And you now are part of this cosmic story, a story of bending light, folding time, and infinite, serene night. In the vast cosmic theater, galaxies swirl like giant whirlpools of stars, gas, and dust, grand spirals and glowing clusters that stretch across the night. At the heart of many of these immense structures lies a secret. A supermassive black hole, a silent architect shaping the very form and fate of the galaxy it calls home. Imagine a galaxy as a delicate dance of billions of stars, each moving in harmony through vast spaces. These stars are not just scattered randomly but follow patterns guided by invisible threads of gravity. And at the center of this grand dance, the black hole exerts a subtle yet powerful influence, quietly anchoring the swirling arms and keeping the cosmic rhythm in balance. These supermassive black holes are unlike the smaller black holes born from dying stars. They are colossal, millions to billions of times the mass of our sun, and their presence is felt across millions of light years. Though invisible to the eye, their gravity tugs on everything around, shaping clouds of gas and stars like a sculptor shaping soft clay. Picture the black hole as a calm, steady heartbeat in the galaxy's chest, a pulse that keeps the sprawling arms from flying apart or collapsing inward. Without this invisible anchor, galaxies might lose their graceful spiral, their ordered swirl dissolving into chaotic dust. The dance between black holes and galaxies is a story of balance, a cosmic harmony between creation and destruction. The black hole's gravity pulls in matter, sometimes feeding and growing, sometimes releasing energy that blows gas and dust away, regulating the birth of new stars. This feedback loop keeps galaxies vibrant, alive, and ever-changing. Imagine delicate threads, invisible but strong, weaving from the black hole outward, tying the stars, gas clouds, and dust together in a cosmic web. These threads are not made of matter but of gravity and energy, binding the galaxy in a silent, invisible embrace. The black hole, though shrouded in darkness, becomes a guiding light in the galaxy's evolution. Its gravity sculpts the cosmic landscape, influencing star formation and the swirling motion of gas. It is both destroyer and creator, a paradox wrapped in mystery and power. As you listen, picture yourself drifting in the vast space between stars, feeling the quiet pull of these invisible threads. Imagine the gentle sway of the galaxy's arms, the slow rotation of stars caught in the black hole's embrace. Let the graceful movement lull you deeper into calm. This cosmic connection between black holes and galaxies is a reminder of the universe's delicate balance. In the dance of light and dark, chaos and order, the black hole is a silent architect, shaping the grand design with patient hands. Reflect on the vastness of this relationship, how something so dark and mysterious can hold such a vital role in the cosmos. It is a gentle reminder that even the unseen forces shape the world in profound ways. Tonight, as you rest, feel yourself as part of this cosmic dance. Your own being, made of stardust and light, moves quietly within the universe's grand design. Like the stars around a black hole, you are held in a gentle embrace of invisible forces, part of a vast and beautiful whole. Let this thought fill you with peaceful wonder, that we are all connected by threads of gravity and time, by the silent songs of black holes shaping galaxies far away. In this vast cosmic night, you are not alone but woven into the very fabric of the universe. Allow yourself to drift with the slow rotation of stars and galaxies, carried gently by the invisible hand of the black hole's gravity. Feel the calm pulse of this silent architect, steady and sure, guiding you softly into deeper rest. In this moment, the universe feels close, a quiet, endless night filled with light, shadow, and the gentle touch of cosmic creation. Let yourself float in this vast calm, surrounded by the dance of galaxies and the silent heart of darkness at their core. In the endless night of space, black holes often appear as eternal, unchanging shadows, cosmic mysteries swallowing everything, never giving back. Yet, deep within the quiet fabric of the universe, black holes whisper a secret. They are not completely silent. They breathe, they fade, they let go. This whisper is called Hawking radiation, named after the brilliant physicist Stephen Hawking, who imagined that black holes are not just dark and hungry but slowly losing energy over unimaginable spans of time. Though invisible and delicate, this radiation is a gentle song, a cosmic sigh from the heart of darkness. Picture a black hole not as a permanent abyss but as a quiet flame slowly flickering at the edge of existence. This light is faint and soft, so subtle that it takes billions of years to notice. It is the black hole's way of breathing out its energy, releasing tiny particles and waves into space. A slow cosmic exhale. Hawking radiation arises from the strange dance of quantum particles near the black hole's edge, the event horizon. Here, pairs of particles and antiparticles spontaneously appear, a fleeting burst of creation in the vacuum of space. Sometimes, one particle falls inside the black hole, while its partner escapes, carrying away a whisper of energy. This process is slow and subtle, like the soft rustling of leaves in a vast, silent forest. Over eons, the black hole loses mass and energy, shrinking and fading into the night. The immense darkness, once so powerful and vast, gently dissolves into the cosmic sea. Imagine the black hole's life as a long, quiet breath, slowly inhaling matter and energy, then softly exhaling radiation. This balance between feeding and fading is part of the universe's endless rhythm, a cycle of birth, growth, and quiet decay. Though the end of a black hole's life might seem lonely or sad, it is in fact a peaceful transformation, a return to the cosmic cycle. From the ashes of stars and the shadows of darkness, energy flows back into the universe, nourishing the endless dance of matter and light. The slow fading of a black hole is a reminder that nothing in the cosmos lasts forever. Everything changes, flows, and transforms in ways both grand and subtle. Even the darkest, most mysterious places release their secrets over time, revealing the gentle beauty hidden within silence. As you listen, imagine the faint sound of this cosmic whisper, a soft, almost imperceptible melody carried on the winds of space. Let this quiet song fill you with calm and wonder, a gentle lullaby from the heart of the universe. Feel the vastness of time stretching before you, vast enough to hold the slow fading of a black hole. Let your mind rest in this cosmic patience, where even the greatest forces move with gentle grace. This quiet transformation invites you to reflect on the beauty of impermanence, how endings can be gentle, how darkness can give way to light, and how every breath in the cosmic rhythm carries meaning. Tonight, as you drift closer to sleep, picture the black hole's soft glow, fading slowly into the starry night. Let the idea of this quiet ending comfort you, reminding you that rest and renewal are part of every cycle. Allow yourself to be carried on this whispering tide, resting peacefully in the sound of silence. You are part of this great cosmic flow, where all things, dark and light, fade and renew in endless harmony. The black hole's secret life is a story of calm endurance, quiet transformation, and eternal wonder. Let this thought soothe your spirit and deepen your rest, carrying you gently into dreams as soft and mysterious as the night sky itself. As the universe stretches endlessly, whispering its secrets through the vastness of space, it holds mysteries deeper than any black hole's shadow. Among these are the enchanting ideas of wormholes, hidden tunnels threading through the fabric of space-time, shimmering gateways that might connect distant corners of the cosmos. Imagine space itself as a vast, soft fabric, smooth and endless. Now picture a secret door, a fold in this fabric, where two far apart places touch, linked by an unseen bridge. This bridge is what scientists call a wormhole, a passage that bends space and time, creating shortcuts through the cosmic wilderness. Wormholes are like secret tunnels beneath a quiet forest floor, paths unknown but possible, shimmering just beyond our sight. They capture the imagination with their mysterious promise, traveling across the universe in moments, connecting stars, galaxies, or even different times. Though wormholes remain mostly in the realm of theory, their possibility invites gentle wonder. Could a black hole's core be a door to another place? Could the singularity hide not just darkness but a passage to somewhere else? A cosmic secret waiting to be found? Picture these gateways as shimmering ripples in a dark pond, glistening faintly before fading away. Elusive, fragile, almost dreamlike. They remind us that the universe is not just vast but mysterious, filled with hidden depths that spark our curiosity and inspire our dreams. Wormholes stir the mind like a soft breeze stirring autumn leaves, inviting us to imagine a universe more wondrous than we can fully grasp. They remind us to embrace mystery without fear, to welcome questions as gentle companions on our journey. In this quiet space of curiosity, allow yourself to drift among the stars, imagining these cosmic tunnels and secret doors. Feel the thrill of possibility, balanced by calm acceptance that some mysteries remain just beyond our reach. The unknown is not empty or frightening. It is a vast canvas painted with soft shadows and shimmering light, waiting for gentle exploration. Wormholes whisper to us that the universe holds stories yet untold, inviting us to dream alongside the stars. Let your thoughts float freely on this gentle tide of wonder. Whether these gateways exist or remain ideas, their allure is a reminder of how much there is to explore, even in the quiet moments before sleep. As you listen, feel yourself drifting closer to the edges of this cosmic mystery, where imagination meets science, and the impossible becomes a beautiful dream. Tonight, rest in the calm of this wonder, a peaceful acceptance of the unknown, a gentle trust in the universe's endless secrets. Let these thoughts carry you softly into sleep, wrapped in the quiet magic of a universe filled with hidden doors and shimmering possibilities. In the vast, silent theater of the cosmos, black holes stand as quiet giants, ancient, mysterious, and powerful. Yet, even as they weave their invisible threads through galaxies, shaping stars and bending light, they remind us of something profoundly human, our own smallness and wonder in the grand cosmic story. Imagine the night sky stretching endlessly above you, a canvas of shimmering stars and swirling galaxies. Somewhere in that vastness, supermassive black holes quietly anchor the spirals of light, holding together the cosmic dance. We, too, are part of this dance, stardust born in the hearts of ancient stars, orbiting these silent architects of the universe. Our bodies, the air we breathe, the very atoms that make us, they all share a cosmic origin. Every element heavier than hydrogen and helium was forged in the fiery cores of stars, scattered through space by stellar winds and explosions. Black holes, in their powerful silence, continue this cycle of creation and transformation, guiding the evolution of galaxies and the birth of new stars. Reflecting on this connection, we see ourselves as both tiny and infinite, fleeting moments within the endless flow of time and space. Just as black holes fold and twist space-time, so do our lives fold into the vastness, connected by invisible threads of light, gravity, and memory. This cosmic perspective invites a gentle meditation. The universe is not a distant, cold place, but a living, breathing story we are part of. Black holes, with their darkness and light, embody the balance between mystery and understanding, chaos and order, endings and beginnings. As you listen, picture yourself floating quietly among the stars, feeling the gentle pull of gravity, the soft glow of distant suns, and the deep silence of the void. You are both observer and participant, a thread in the infinite tapestry woven by time and space. This place in the cosmic night is a refuge, a reminder that no matter how vast the universe feels, it embraces you with the same laws that guide the stars. It holds you gently in its endless rhythm, where every breath you take echoes the movements of galaxies and black holes alike. Let this thought fill you with calm and wonder. In the quiet moments before sleep, feel yourself expanding beyond the limits of your body, connecting with the cosmic night and resting in the embrace of all that is. Our place in the cosmos is a story of connection. Light traveling across billions of years to reach our eyes, the gravity of black holes shaping the galaxies we watch, and the shared atoms between us and the stars. This interconnectedness is a source of comfort and awe, a reminder that we are never truly alone. Tonight, as you drift toward sleep, carry this feeling of cosmic belonging with you. Let it ease any worries or restlessness, replacing them with peace and a gentle curiosity about the universe around you and within you. The night sky holds countless mysteries, and black holes are among the most profound. Yet in their silent presence, they offer a quiet companionship, an eternal reminder of the wonder and beauty that surrounds us, always. Rest now in this peaceful knowing. You are part of the cosmic night, a story unfolding across time and space, woven by light and shadow, gravity and dreams. Let your breath slow, your heart soften, and your mind relax. The universe holds you gently, and the stars watch over you as you journey into sleep. As we come to the close of this gentle journey through the secret life of black holes, take a moment to feel the quiet wonder that has woven itself through each chapter. From the birth of darkness in dying stars, to the shimmering veil of the event horizon, through the mysterious heart of the singularity, to the silent architects shaping galaxies. We have traveled together through the cosmos' deepest mysteries, softly and slowly, like a lullaby sung by the stars themselves. Black holes, though vast and unfathomable, are not forces to fear. They are part of the peaceful rhythm of the universe, the endless cycle of creation and transformation, destruction and renewal. Like a deep breath, they remind us that even in the darkest places, there is a delicate balance, a subtle beauty, and a silent harmony. Imagine now that this cosmic dance continues quietly all around us. Every moment, black holes spin and feed, time bends and flows, and galaxies swirl. A calm, eternal symphony playing out in the vast theater of space. This symphony includes you. Your own heartbeat echoes the rhythm of the stars. Your breath flows in time with the cosmic tide. The atoms in your body were born in ancient stars, connected through time and space to the distant galaxies and the black holes at their centers. Let this connection fill you with a gentle calm, a sense of belonging that stretches beyond the ordinary, reaching into the very fabric of the universe. As you prepare to drift deeper into sleep, carry with you this quiet curiosity, this peaceful wonder. Let it be a soft light in the dark, a gentle warmth in the stillness. Remember, the universe is vast and mysterious, but it is also kind and inviting. Black holes, with all their secrets, are part of this invitation to explore, to dream, and to rest in the beauty of the unknown. If you found comfort and curiosity in this cosmic story, please consider subscribing to The Thoughtful Night. It would mean so much to me to have you along for more soothing journeys through the wonders of science and space. And if you feel like sharing, leave a comment telling me where you listened from tonight. Your words make this cosmic story feel more connected, more real, like a constellation of shared moments shining across the night. Now, as your eyes grow heavy and your breath slows, rest in the quiet embrace of the universe. Let the stars watch over you. Let the silence of black holes soothe your mind, and let your dreams take flight among the galaxies. Good night, dear traveler. Sleep well, and may your dreams be filled with the soft light of distant stars and the gentle mysteries of the cosmic night.